Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Coming straight from my office desk today. I thought I would do a work from home with me and what I eat in a day vlog because this is literally my daily routine. Like, this is my actual life aside from vlogging, and I feel like a lot of you guys always ask me questions about my work and like what I do. So since I'm working from home this week, I thought I would share. I actually have a meeting starting in 10 minutes, so I'm starting this vlog super late. But just if you guys are new or you guys don't know what I do for work, I work for an oil and gas company. It's BP, British Petroleum, and I'm a development analyst. And prior to that, I was a data, like petroleum engineer technologist, which was more like data analyst type of role. But yeah, that's what I do. So I probably can't show the screen too much, but I just want you guys to get an idea. So this is kind of like what I do. At the top is the drilling schedule. At the bottom is like the frac schedule, and I'm just helping plan out the wells that we will be drilling for the next 5 years. This is what my schedule is looking like today. I have about 4 meetings. Usually Fridays are like super chill and I don't have a lot of work, but we're getting a new software, so there's a lot of training for that. But yeah, so I already had my breakfast because I couldn't wait. I was so hungry, but I recorded it for you guys, so I'll put in the footage now.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now.
So I'm about to get in a meeting, and then after that we'll go have some lunch. For lunch we're having leftovers. I don't know what this is called exactly, but it's like some sort of Mediterranean dish. Got it from a restaurant called Fadi's. So it's just like meatballs in a tomato sauce. So I'm gonna warm this up. I just heated up the meatballs. They smell so good. And then this is the salad. I figured I'll just leave it in the same container so I'm not like wasting a ton of dishes. And now I'm just going to fill up my water. I honestly always forget to drink water when I'm working, which is a really bad habit. But we got this alkaline water system installed in our house, which is convenient. So now we just can get water out of the faucet straight. Normally we used to like go buy water bottles from the grocery store. But now, you can just fill it up at home and it's convenient. So, this is my lunch. I'm going to have this while I'm in a meeting.
That's where I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my...
Okay, so it's a lot later. I actually got done with work about an hour and a half ago, but I had to film something, so I just quickly retouched my makeup and filmed. But now I'm in my room. I'm drinking my water because I always don't drink enough water when I'm working. I literally forget. Like, isn't that weird? Like, I almost forget to drink water. So got my water, and now I also have a snack. I couldn't take you guys downstairs because my mom is teaching some kids Quran. My mom is a Quran teacher, so it's really loud, so I brought my snack upstairs. But don't worry, I'm about to show you guys. And it is so good. I am starving. The last time I ate was at 4, and it's now like 7 almost, 6:45. So, first I'll show you guys my bowl of snack. It's a gala apple with tahini seasoning on top. And I'm telling you guys, this is like the ultimate snack. If you like sweet and savory, this is so good. So I brought up the apple and seasoning to show you guys because I raved about this apple on my Instagram story, and people probably think I'm crazy, but it honestly is the best apple. You have to get the organic gala apple from Sprouts. It is so good. It tastes like honey. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. It tastes so sweet and so good. And then on top of that, I put this tahini seasoning on it. I get the low sodium version. And it's basically like this seasoning. What's in here? I don't know, but it's so good. It's chili peppers, sea salt, citric acid, lime juice, and some preservatives. So not the best, but it tastes so good. It's like sweet and savory. If you like sweet and savory, you're going to love this. So I'm going to take a bite because I'm so hungry. Perfection. It is so good. So I'm gonna eat this while I clean my room. Fridays are supposed to be my clean days, but I was so busy with work, I didn't get to clean. I got started a little bit, but I didn't get to finish up cleaning. So I think it's in focus now. I'm sorry. If I didn't mention, I got a new camera and I'm testing it out, and obviously I don't know how to work it. But what I ended up doing was taking off all of my winter coats and darker like neutral colors and threw it on the floor, and now I'm redoing my clothing rack with lighter colors. It doesn't look the best yet because I just got started, but here are my favorite boots that I need to go put in the garage because winter is over for me. But oh my god, I have a story to tell you guys about these boots. I ordered them back in December when I was gone to California. My family never told me they came in, so they were sitting in the garage for 2 months, and then last week when I went in the garage to get a basketball for a smile, I saw this package sitting there from DSW that had my name on it, and I was like, wait a second, what is that? And then I opened it and it was my boots. So yeah, winter is over and I just now got my hands on these boots, which sucks. But then I did get them on sale, so that's okay. I'll get use out of it next year. I love those boots so much. I got the same in black. They're honestly such great sleek boots. Yeah, I know it's pretty late for winter now, but if you live somewhere cold and it's going to be cold for you for the next 2-3 months, I think they're a great investment piece. So I'll link them down below. They're like around $150, but I think I found a couple on sale for like $130. So I'll link it down below for you guys.
That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
And I also clean up this little corner. This is where I keep all of my supplements, and I have so many supplements, and nobody should be taking these many vitamins and supplements. I admit I'm a little crazy when it comes to stuff like this. I don't know, I feel like I've just got problems my whole life that I'm just like, I try everything hoping that it heals me. So I have a ton of stuff I need to go through. I'll show you guys the vitamins I take every single day because I actually need to take some. So I take iron. These are the iron supplements I take. So I take 1 iron, and then I take a, what do I take? Where is it? A probiotic. This is the probiotic I take. So I take one of these every day. What else do I take? I take a multivitamin every single day. This is the multivitamin I'm taking at the moment. I honestly switch between multivitamins. I don't have a favorite. Taking that. What else am I taking? I'm also taking oil of oregano, ADP at the moment. You don't need this unless you have an overgrowth of some sort of bacteria in your gut, which I do. So I'm taking 3 of these a day. So I'm going to take those 3, and then I take a vitamin D, which I can't find. Where is it? I have all of these supplements, which I'm going to just take in one go because I'm crazy like that. And I will swallow all of them all at once. Okay, bismillah. I missed one. Ah! All right, all done with that. So now I just need to organize this little stand. And truthfully, I just like hide this little stand in the corner and hope that nobody sees it because that just makes me look super crazy. So I'm going to just organize this really quickly. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to because let's be real. I use most of them every single day. So I'm just going to shove them in that corner. And we're going to move on to this bad boy. Now this thing I never open on camera because this is my like PR closet and it gets so dirty so fast. I literally shove things in here. So I have bags full of products which I need to go through. I try to go through these like once a month and see what's expiring so I can like quickly use it or give it away to people. Honestly, I get so many products from companies that I can't just like use them all. So I thought about it several times if I should do a giveaway and give you guys some of these products because there are some really great brands like Drunk Elephant, Cora, there's Colleen Rothschild, there's Milk, there's so many good brands, but I just feel bad giving away PR packages. I don't know why. That's my professional camera. Here's another big bag. Here's all the makeup. There's so many good brands here. I just feel bad giving stuff away because I don't know if you guys are going to want this stuff. Let me know if you guys would be interested in any of these things. Maybe I can do like a weekly or monthly giveaway on my Instagram. There really are some great brands in here. There's Illamasqua, there's First Date Beauty, there's Buxom. So yeah, I'm going to just go through this closet and clean it up really quickly.
Linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight.
Okay, so this is the best it's gonna get. It's still junky, but it's like organized junky, if that makes any sense. Okay, for dinner I'm doing salmon, but I'm a little worried. Like, is that normal? I just pulled it out of the freezer and I got it from the farmer's market. So this has not been like pre-frozen or like thawed out early and then frozen again. It literally is supposed to be fresh, but it looks rotten. Let's smell it. It smells fine though. So, okay, I'm going to use a few spices. Cayenne pepper, some Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. So I just literally, I don't measure anything. I just like put a little bit of everything. A little bit of lemon juice. And then I'm going to give this a good massage. Pop this in and let it cook. I love this air fryer, by the way. It's super dirty, so ignore that. But this is, what brand is it? It's a Ninja, and it's awesome because it has so many functions. It could be an air fryer, it can bake, it can broil. But yeah, it's just awesome. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. While that cooks, I'm actually going to log back on and work a little bit more. One of like the bad things about working on a paid salary as opposed to an hourly wage is that the work never ends. And if it doesn't end, it just carries over to the next day and you just have to work extra hours to get it done, which is the thing that I hate the most. And if I had this talk with my boss so many times and he always promises me a work-life balance and he knows I do like Instagram and content creation on the side, and he always tells me like, trust me, I'll be flexible with you and I'll give you the time that you need so you can do both. But the nature of the work in reality is that just never happens. So I end up working like 10 to 12 hours a day, and it's honestly really, really exhausting, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. It's like around 9 o'clock and I'm about to work for at least another hour while my dinner is cooking. I showed you guys my salmon, and I'm just gonna do like some really basic salad on the side and just call it a day. But yeah, I'm gonna have some tea after that, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I'm honestly so exhausted. Actually, the first thing I'm gonna do is watch Love is Blind before I start working because I am obsessed with that show. I'm on episode 5 now, 4 or 5. I'm binge watching through it all. I'm literally like an all or nothing type of person. Like, I will either binge watch an entire show or I won't watch it at all. So I'm gonna go watch that. Here is my dinner. I have some salad and my salmon. I also made myself some green tea. So I'm gonna have this and watch Love is Blind and go to bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I look so beat up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!